Okay, tonight I'm gonna make a food that my grandmother used to make. I'm making salmon and peas. This is something my grandmother used to make, and we start with 2 tablespoons of butter, which I've melted, and I just added 2 tablespoons of flour, so I'm making a roux. And what we're going to do with that is let it cook for just a second till it browns up a little bit, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of milk. And I'll be perfectly honest, I never measure this when I make it, so I'm not sure of my quantities, and we'll have to adjust as needed. What we want this to do is to thicken up a little bit. Okay, it's getting thick, too thick. I'm going to add a little more milk, approximately a quarter cup. To my roux, I'm adding a full can of canned salmon, and I'm adding a cup of peas. Some members of my family still eat this, but I know that at least one of them does them over bread. And I don't put it over bread because to me it would make the bread soggy, and I'm not even going to try it. So I do it over saltine crackers, which is one of the reasons why I use unsalted butter. And I admit it's not at all attractive, but it is, as I said, one of my favorite foods that my grandmother used to make us. And I'm going to take saltine crackers and crunch them up a little bit. And then I'll put some of this over that. And that is what salmon and peas looks like. Pretty quick and easy, a simple meal. One I like, but I don't have very often, just like grandmother used to make. Okay, if you like this video, check out this one.